Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today's video we're doing another product review. Not just one product review. I'm doing a first impression wash day routine using Floral Curl. Let's go ahead and jump into what's in here. So this is the travel essential kit and it brings 5 items. It brings a shampoo, conditioner, curl activating lotion, a curl defining gel, and a hydrating hair mist. So Floral Curl did gift me this item, but this is not sponsored whatsoever. If it was sponsored, I will tell you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into what I did. So with the shampoo, it says right here, this luscious, easily absorbed shampoo is what your curls have been craving for. Rich in moisturizing oats, organic rose flower water, and honey, and packed with provitamin B to hydrate dry and dehydrated curls while cleansing your curls. So with the shampoo right here, let me just say that it was so hard to squeeze this. Like on camera, I was shaking because this is very strong. This is heavy duty right here. It says that it's a cream shampoo, but when you apply it to your hands and to your hair, it's on the thinner side. It's not creamy, it's very liquidy. So a little does go a long way, and it has a lot of lather. So when I did apply it to my hair, it was lathering up. It has a lot of foam. What I did notice was that it wasn't hydrating for me. It felt like I used a clarifying shampoo because my hair felt really my hair felt squeaky clean. Like when I would pass my hands through my hair, it just felt super squeaky clean. So that kind of threw me off. The fact that it says that it's like a hydrating, you know, supposed to give you that luscious feel to your hair, and it just felt really clean to me. So the shampoo, even though I like a more clarifying shampoo, if it says that it's gonna hydrate, I don't want that super clean feeling on my hair. So the shampoo, that's how I felt about it. How did it smell? I don't even remember it. You know, I do like the way that this smells. It has a very lemongrass, like a citrus scent. It smells good. I like the way it smells. It smells like it would be like a clarifying shampoo, but it's not. Yeah, strengthens, moisturizes. My hair didn't feel moisturized with the shampoo, so let's move on. So the next product that I did use up was the cream conditioner. So it says right here, it's a powerful blend of nourishing plant oils that sink deep into your hair to moisturize from the inside out and protects from the outside. Botanical combination of many beneficial and essential nutrients for dry and damaged hair, and it smells so good. Tend to your hair, it's thirsty. Now I do appreciate that it has a pump, and because of that I applied a lot to my hair. So you see me just pumping it onto my hair, and then when I did apply it, it was so soft on the hair. Like I was just gliding through it. It was going through all my tangles in my hair, and I had a lot of tangles that day. And the conditioner, it really impressed me. So I am a fan of the conditioner. It was soft on the hair. It smells very light, so it has like a very faint floral scent. So I do like that it's nothing that's too strong, because to be honest, I don't like floral scent. Like anything that smells rosy, I don't know, like any other flower scent, I don't really care for that. I like my hair products to be more on the fruity side, but this I do appreciate that it is on the lighter side. So that's how I was when I did apply the conditioner in my hair. Now let's move on to the styling portion of the video. So we're gonna go back in time because this is day 2 hair at the moment. So the first thing that I did use was the curl activating lotion. Now let me give you a little bit of details about it before I applied it to my hair. So with the curl activating lotion, it says right here, is a botanically packed curl styling cream formulated to activate your curl shape, reveal your pattern without any crunch. It is a frizz combating formula and glides smoothly, nourishing enough to add body and shine. And then this is what the ingredient list is looking like for this product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this first all around my hair, see how that feels, and then I'm going to top it off with the gel. So let's start. Let me see if it's thick. So this is how it looks. Ooh, okay, this is a very, I applied a lot. I applied a little bit too much, but I like how soft it is. It looks like it's on the thinner side. I applied a lot, so like, whoa, but I know, I applied too much. But this is how it looks all throughout the hair. All throughout the hands. Oh my gosh. I applied too much.
Oh, like, damn, she's still going.
I don't know.
I saw you pumping and pumping.
Ah!
And pumping.
Okay, how does it smell? I didn't smell any of these products yet. Wow.
They all have a different scent.
This smells like roses. This has a very, very soft scent. Like it's not strong whatsoever, but it does have a floral scent to it. Let's apply. Okay, it's gliding through. Very soft. So this is with the product, and then this is without. I still have a lot left over. Let me apply to those sides. I need to get a better shot because I applied too much.
Part
Yeah,
two.
I need to show. I'm gonna show you guys right now how thin it is.
Just do like 2 pumps.
This is
Maybe
one. Yeah, I'll do one so you can get an idea. It's not a thick cream whatsoever. That's why I'm like, I cannot apply this by itself because it's not gonna do nothing. So my hair feels very, very soft at the moment after applying the curl activating lotion. So time for the gel. So part 2 of putting the hair up. My hair already feels super soft, so that's a good thing. There's no tangles. Now let's use the gel.
The product, girl.
Curl defining gel. It's on the thinner side. It's not thick whatsoever. I feel like it's gonna have some slip to it. I do like that it's gliding through. This side has gel in it. This is without the gel. So I still have product left over so I can work on the other side. So let me know if you guys have tried this product out before or heard of this brand. I know now they have it at Ulta only online. Yeah, let me know if you've heard anything about it. What you think? What do you think? So I have to pick up a picture frame that I ordered online. Picture frame. I printed a photo through Sam's. I didn't know Sam's could do that. But I printed like a big poster. And they playing us because they don't pick up their phone. And it said that it was supposed to be done today. And when we looked at the status, it said in transit. So we're like, what's going on? And what happened when you called, Anthony? Tell them.
They picked up the phone like the phone noise, and then they hung up. Like you're cluck, 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 bang. I'm like, oh, very nice.
With disrespect. Sam's Club, why you do that?
If they pick up, I'll be very shocked.
Me too. No talking in my videos though. You know when you go to like Walmart and like nobody's ever in the right section, you're like, hey, can you help me over here? And they're like, oh, actually this is not my section. So I feel like that's how Sam's, but they're like not even by the photos. Is there even a photo section there?
There must be.
So that's our little rant about Sam's Club. So this is pretty much all the product that I'm going to apply to my hair right now. I'm going to go ahead, let it air dry, and then I'll come back for my first impression. So be right back. So my hair is about 75% air dried. It's still a little bit damp in the back, but I need to go get some candles. I want to get some food, so I gotta leave my house. But I want to show you guys how my hair is looking at the moment. And with this product, there's no cast with it, so my hair doesn't feel crunchy whatsoever. I do like that it has some good curl definition, and hopefully tomorrow for day 2 I can get a little bit more volume. I feel like tomorrow my hair's gonna look even better. So yeah, just wanted to pop in, let you guys see how my hair is looking for day 1, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. So right now it is day 2 hair. I'm glad that I did mix them both together, just because with the curl activating lotion, wow, I remember the name. Just because with that lotion, I know that it was not going to provide any long lasting definition. And I feel like with the gel, you know, I might try it out by itself to see if it's more on like the hydrating side, but using these both together for day 2 hair, my hair does not feel dry whatsoever. Now with the gel, I don't think I read the description yesterday about what the claims are. So it says right here, a curl defining gel that interacts with each individual hair strand to add body, control, and shine. Our alcohol-free botanical curl formula encourages instant curl formation, reduces frizz, add instant slip and softness for your ideal style. And this is what the ingredient list is looking like for this gel right here. With my hair checklist, I want to talk about the ingredients. So overall with this brand, with these products right here, I do like the ingredient list of it. I like that it doesn't have any silicone, it doesn't have any sulfate, and when you look at the ingredient list, you can pronounce the words, you know what the words are, and I do like the ingredient list with that. Now price wise, if you get the travel essential kit, it retails for $35. I like a good travel kit just because I can try everything. I didn't try everything. Oh snap, okay. I didn't try the hair mist, so let me read to you what the hair mist is all about. Hydrate thirsty hair with a botanical active infusion of Flora essence, organic rose water, aloe vera, bioactive flower oils of lavender, jasmine, and sandalwood. Curls transform from dry and brittle to instantly soften and with one spritz. How do I use this? Because I'm about to use it right now. Apply lightly over here to revitalize and refresh your twist styles, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to do that right now. Let me move my computer before. Thank you. I can't believe I forgot to use this. I want to spray it on my hands. Oh, it smells good. Does it have jasmine in here? Did it say that? It smells like very soft. Yeah, it has jasmine. Like, is it lavender or smelling? I don't know. Something smells good. I said I had a mirror here, but I'm not even using it. I like it. On the hands right now, it feels very soft. It's not sticky. So I like that about this. Okay, it can be like a little perfume for the hair. So I feel like I'm all over the place with this review right now. My bad. This threw me off that I forgot to use it. So right now it feels a little bit sticky on the hands, but if I was just to apply it on the hair, I feel like it wouldn't feel sticky, but on my hand it does. But I like the way it smells. Let's continue with my hair checklist and let's start with hydration. So for day 2, my hair does not feel dry at the moment. It feels very soft. Now I did notice when I did apply this product to my hair yesterday, after I fully air dry, there was a little bit of a cast to the front of my hair, but at the moment it feels super soft and it feels crunch free, and it has like a lot of movement to it. Like my hair looks very voluminous, so I do like that. Next is how did it make my hair feel and how was it applying it. With this curl activated lotion, it is not heavy on the hair whatsoever, so I did refresh with this today. I did apply a little bit in the back to take care of some of the frizziness, and my hair still looks pretty voluminous. It doesn't look flat whatsoever. And then with this, I do like that it was it doesn't have a lot of slip, but it wasn't hard to apply to my hair whatsoever. My hair did detangle nicely and it didn't feel heavy on the hair. It doesn't have a super strong cast, but it does have a little bit of hold to the areas that you apply a lot of products to. So in my case, it was the bangs, and once I broke that cast up, my hair is feeling nice and soft. So that's how I was applying it, and then reapplying this morning. Next is curl definition, and is it long lasting. So for day 2 hair, my curls are still intact, so I do like that. Is it gonna be long lasting? I feel like I can get to day 3 for a fact. I'm not too sure on day 4, just because my hair has a lot of movement to it, and the fact that I'm going like this, I feel like I'm gonna give it more frizz. But day 3 hair I can get to. I'm not too sure about day 4. And last thing I want to talk about is the scent of this product. So I don't know if I smelled this yesterday. I think I did. I don't think I liked it. I don't remember. Yeah, the gel is more stronger. The gel smells different from the activating lotion. The gel smells like roses straight up, so I'm not a fan of the gel just because I don't like the way roses smell. But I do like that it's not a heavy scent. It is pretty faint, and I don't think it lingers on my hair, so that's always a good thing. So that's pretty much all I wanted to mention with this first impression wash day using these new products. I do like that I did try it out, and I like how my hair is looking for day 2. I'm gonna go take a passport picture. So I'm glad that my hair looks good, because I told Anthony Sunday I need to update my passport picture, and if my hair looks crazy, I'm not gonna take the picture, and my hair looks pretty good, so gonna go do that right now. But let me know if you have tried this product out before. Did anything catch your attention? Let me know, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Do I want to say anything else? I feel like with this review I'm all over the place. Okay, so my bad if I missed something, but leave it down below if you have any additional questions on this. So Anthony, you have anything to ask me? You got a question for me?
Which one smelled the best to you?
Oh, which one smelled the best to me? You know what? I think I'm gonna go with the cream shampoo, just because it has like that lemongrass scent, and I like the way that smells. I think that might be the best, and I don't know, everything smells pretty much the same except for the gel. Except for the gel, it has the rose scent is strong, but it's light. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, Anthony?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I don't really care for the way it smells, but I like the way the shampoo smells. And you know what? Out of everything, one product that I did like was the cream conditioner, just because the way that it applied to my hair, like it felt really, really soft. And when I did rinse this product out of my hair, it felt super soft as well. So I do like that about the cream conditioner. Like I was just gliding through it when I got out the shower, and yeah, it felt really soft in the hair.
Do you still do song of the day?
Oh, do I still do song of the day? I will right now. I will right now. Name what song? I got a song. No song of the day from Elizabeth, but that beautiful song of the day was by Anthony. Let me know down below what song it was, and I'm gonna officially, like, I have to end this video. This video is a little bit too long. Watch this video only be like 10 minutes, and I'm like freaking out that it's like gonna be like 18 minutes.
Ooh, 18 minutes.
Whoa, my gosh. Okay, so thank you for watching, and peace out.